Welcome back. If you have completed Income Tax 1, you've already built a strong foundation in taxation. But have you ever wondered how tax assessments are conducted, how the business and HUF are taxed, or how the tax authorities ensure compliance? Did you ever think about that? So, welcome to Income Tax 2, where we move beyond the basics and explore the practical application of income tax laws. So, hello everyone. I am Professor Asiya Chaudhary with over 22 years of experience in commerce, industry, and behavioral economics. I am very delighted to guide you through this advanced course and help you develop practical taxation knowledge that is valuable for academics, professional examinations, and future careers. Actually, taxation is not just paying the taxes. It influences your financial planning, business decisions, and economic growth of the country also. Whether you aspire to work in finance, accounting, taxation, auditing, or maybe management or entrepreneurship, understanding taxation is an essential professional skill. This course will no doubt help you to understand how the tax laws operate in real life situations and how they tax individuals and businesses. In this course, we will study capital gain and the taxation, income from other sources, set off and carry forward of losses, assessment of individual HUFs and partnership. We'll also cover TDS, TCS, and advanced tax. We'll also talk in detail about the tax authorities and their powers, the assessment procedure, appeals, penalties, etc. Most importantly, every topic will be supported with practical illustration, some solved numericals, case-based discussions with the help that will help you to connect yourself with the conceptual theory. This is not a course that focuses only on examination. It is designed to help you think like a tax professional, understand the financial decisions, and uh, you understand the taxation perspective, and confidently you apply the tax provisions to your practical situations. By the end of this course, you will possess knowledge and skills that are highly valued in academics, competitive examinations, professional courses, and the corporate world. So, if you're ready to strengthen your expertise, enhance your employability, and gain practical knowledge of one of the most important areas of finance and business, then this course is for you. Thank you for joining Income Tax Part 2. I look forward to learning and growing with you. Let us begin our journey into the fascinating world of advanced taxation. Thank you.